so many bikes that came for this event last year, and it was so much fun, so I'm super excited for this one. Definitely one of the bigger events this year. Hitting the road. This is tight. A lot of people. Woo! A lot of people not looking where they're going either. Woo! Oh, wreck. Yeah, there's a wreck. Oh, Spider-Man. Yeah, he's fine. Looks like some pissed people, but it looks like everybody's okay. What's up? Yeah. Broke a peg. Ah, freaking worst. Nobody better be standing in the middle up here. One right now in all this traffic. It's a little sketchy, but I got it. Nice wheelie, bro. Getting tired. It's me. I'm going in this neighborhood over here. It might have blew up. It might have blew up. Huh? It might have blew up. Yeah, I might have blew up my motor. Hey, I'm gonna go over here. You think I fried my clutch?
It smells a lot like clutch.
It's either clutch or the motor's gone.
There's oil still in it.
There's oil in it?
A little bit, yeah.
Well, I mean, and the bike's not straight up.
Oh, yeah.
I might have just fried my clutch.
Oh yeah, it's still good on oil.
So I got oil.
Well, I was looking at that, because all that was coming out. I think all that's happening is you're sucking a lot of fucking oil right now.
I was up in that wheelie for so long, I might have built up oil in the intake.
Saying, yeah.
That's probably what it was. And then when I dropped it down, the oil went in the motor.
Yep, that's good.
All right.
All right, now we gotta...
Let's go. I'm taking it easy, but...
Yeah, be easy on your wheelies. So all this oil, it's going to take a minute to burn out. All
right.
It's probably in the package.
All right. Appreciate it.
Oh, fuck, man. Now we got to catch up.
I'm sorry. It was a good wheelie.
I got the stroke on film.
Did you?
Yeah.
You mind if I get it later?
Yeah. It just kept going straight.
Okay. You think we're even going to catch them with this?
Yeah. They're doing 30 miles an hour.
All right. We'll cut through a little traffic.
I'm cutting all of them.
All right. Do you know where they...
I don't know where they went.
I lost them, and then Walker said he turned around. That's where they're at.
So we're following this guy. He knows where to go.
Well, we are back with a piece of the group. They apparently know where to go. We're going to follow them, and they're apparently at a lot. So we'll pick it up there, I guess. We just made it back. That took forever. They're all getting gas, so I'm going to let my bike cool down for a minute, and then we'll rejoin with the crew. So we got to the gas station, and unfortunately we were in the gas station trying to get a drink because we were really thirsty, and they all left us. So we got a guy trying to get us back to the group. They're apparently at a lot. I swear this whole thing is a wild goose chase, but we're gonna get back to this meet. We're going to ride with them.
Little did these little Grom hooligans know that they would never see the group again until they met them back at the meet that they met at to start with, and we wasted probably over 30 minutes looking for them. Oh my goodness, this guy didn't know where he was going. Oh, it took forever. I'm not going to bore you with all that we went through, but it took forever. Sorry to everybody who stayed behind and made sure I was okay. Thank you for stopping. Thank you for watching. We'll try again next year.
Well, we're back. Everybody's already back. I don't know what we're gonna do. Kind of a little disappointed at the moment, mainly because my bike messed up, and obviously that kind of cost everybody a lot of the ride. So we'll see what happens. Looks like we're loading up.